Hi, in this video we are going to see about the auxiliary storage devices. Uh, the devices where we can able to connect externally and we can able to operate that mean as auxiliary storage devices. It is also known as secondary storage devices. So here the operating speed of the primary memory or main memory should be as fast as um, to relate with the CPU speed. So these high-speed storage devices are very expensive, and hence the cost per bit of storage also very high. So the storage capacity of the main memory is also very limited. It is necessary to store 100 millions of bytes of data for the CPU to process. So additional memory is required in all the computer systems. It is called the auxiliary memory or the secondary storage. The operating speed is slower than that of the primary memory. Huge volume of data are stored here on permanent basis and transferred to the primary storage when required. So the auxiliary storage devices here it will be considered as the magnetic tapes, magnetic disks or floppy disks, compact disks and pen drives. A magnetic tape is used for large computer like mainframe computers where large volume of data is stored for longer time. So in PC, we can also use tapes, which is inexpensive. The cost of storing data in tapes is inexpensive. So the tapes consist of magnetic materials that store data permanently. It can be 12.5 millimeter to 25 millimeter. Uh, it is of a white plastic film type and 500 meter to 1200-meter long, which is coated with the magnetic material. The deck is connected to the central processor and information is fed into or read from the tape to the processor. So it is similar to the cassette type recorder. So the advantages of magnetic tape is it is a 10-inch diameter reel of tape where the total length is 2,400 feet and is able to hold 800 uh, to 6,250 characters in each inch of its length. The maximum capacity of such type is 180 million characters, so the data stored are much more compact on the tape. It is more and more economical, fast, and long term storage, where it also used for reusable purposes. Next one is the magnetic disc. So here it is similar to the gramophone record, which is circular like a disc and is coated with the magnetic material. So magnetic discs are used in computer are made on the same principle. It rotates with very high speed inside the disk drive. Data are stored on both the surface of the disk. Magnetic disks are popular for direct access storage. Each disk consists of number of invisible concentric circles called tracks. So the information recorded on tracks of a disk are in the form of tiny magnetic spots. Floppy disk, it is similar to the magnetic disk and it is 3.5-inch in diameter. So the capacity of the floppy disk is 1.44 megabytes. So it is cheaper than any other storage devices and it is very portable. The floppy disk, it is a low cost device. It is suitable for a personal computer system. Next one is the optical disk. With every application and software, there is a greater demand for memory capacity. So here, it is used to store large volume of data and led to the development of optical disk storage medium. It has been divided into the following categories: CD-ROM, compact disk or read-only memory. So it is made of reflective metals. So it is written during the process of manufacturing the high power laser beam. Here the storage density is very high, storage cost is very low, and access time is relatively fast. Each disk is approximately 4.5 inches in diameter and can hold over 600 MB of data. So the CD-ROM is read-only. We cannot write or make changes into the data contained in it. Next one is WOM, read once, write once, read many. So we can able to read the data which is present inside the CD-ROM many times, but we can able to write only one time at a time. So once we have written into the disk, it is permanently stored and it cannot be erased or able to um update the data. So each data can be recorded from keyboard, a video scanner, OCR equipment, and other devices. So the main advantage is that we can store vast amount of data in GB. Next one is erasable optical disk. So here the data can be written, erased and rewritten. So it applies laser beam to write and rewrite the data. So it is used as alternative to traditional disk. So it is also known as magnetic optical (MO). So once the MO's drive laser beam heats the defined point on the disk surface, magnetize it, and the data will be written into it. Last one is the flash drive. So it is similar to our pen drives and the USB drives. So here we can able to the main purpose here it is the transformation of data. We can able to transform the data, and it depends on the size of the pen drive. So it may available in various sizes, and it is portable. It is easily fit into the form of a keychain also. So it is called as the keychain drive. Thank you.